Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Aaron Lau, and I'm the current drama club president or chairman or whatever. Welcome to the Black Box Theater. It's black, it's a box, and that's why we call it that. It's one of the newest additions to the St. Stephen's College campus, and it combines both musical and theatrical performances. Speaking of musical and theatrical performances, the college has a concert somewhere in July to celebrate its 120th anniversary, or its 120th birthday for normal people. So be sure to check that out. Anyways, back to this theater. It has many lights, speakers, sound systems, S-words, and it allows me to do this. I said it allows me to do this. Sorry, just working out some kinks here. I think some technician is gonna get fired later. Anyways, the show you're about to watch next is a sketch written based on 3 words we got from a random word generator, which is quiz, radiation, and window. So without further ado, enjoy.
Wow, the marks are out. Take a look.
No way, I did pretty good.
Wow, that's so amazing. How long did you revise?
Only like 20 hours a day.
20? Well, too little. 36 hours a day.
Nice.
Yo!
Wow, look at this loser.
-1. Do you even revise? Obviously, no. But, kinda. I did look through the content after the quiz.
Actually, that's a really
Consolidation after the quiz. How do you get -1 mark? It's a
Silence! Before I eat every single one of you alive. Okay, so who can tell me what this angle is between this incident ray and reflected ray?
Me.
Yes.
45 degrees.
Wrong!
Huh?
The answer is 1 degree. Okay, so
Stop! Enough! Firstly, your lesson is boring. Yes. Secondly, it is 45 degrees.
Yes.
Do you even know physics?
No.
I'm sorry, Gordon. Did you win a Nobel Prize in physics? No, I don't think so. In fact, you have failed every single physics quiz, and now you're trying to outsmart me?
Take a look at this.
Oh, that's right. Detention!
Huh?
For making me cry!
Hey, anyone didn't turn off the...
Oh, that's fine. Sorry.
Hello? Detention again? Gordon, what's wrong with you? You used to get scholarship after scholarship. You're the top of your class. But now, you don't even study anymore. I can't afford the school fee anymore. And it's all your fault. Go study for once.
You are not my mom, Dad. Shut up!
Okay, before we end today's lesson, there'll be a physics quiz tomorrow! The syllabus is chapter 1 to 3. Be prepared!
We'll see about that. A few moments later, after the day of the physics lesson. Scared. I would rather learn physics on YouTube than learn from your lesson.
या मैं इसे ऐसा समझूं कि ये वेलोसिटी ऑफ रन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मैन हुआ और ये एंगल आपका 53 डिग्री है और ये एंगल आपका 37 डिग्री है ऑफ कोर्स he has to hold his umbrella at an angle of 50 degrees.
Wow, I can't believe I already learned a university advanced physics in just 2 hours on YouTube. The quiz for tomorrow will be a piece of cake. Wait, it's too early for me to sleep. I will go downstairs for some street food. Oh, I'm hungry. Food, which is very good. Siu mai. I promise I won't lie. Can I get a large siu mai? Sure, $500. $500? Yes. Yes, can I afford these? I'm sorry, because that's too handsome, so...
Oh! My window!
Government should really deposit money into fixing windows.
I'm terribly sorry, my good sir. I was admiring my beautiful face on that window. I guess it fell because I was simply too handsome.
That is not an excuse for you to not fixing the window. And your face.
Yeah. My face?
How dare you!
Your face.
You scared Mr. Snugglebottoms! I'm gonna go call the cops! Officer, hello?
Anyways, can anyone explain why the fallen window didn't break?
Wait a minute. It's kind of weird, but it's glowing green.
Oh, I know! According to that guy on YouTube, only radioactive things can go green light!
Oh my god, you're so smart.
Interesting. I will take this back home.
See ya.
Yes.
See my.
Oh yes, you're my
Let me give you this. This is $500.
Bye-bye.
Hey! Ow!
Hey, window man, where did your window come from?
I was in an antique store and I saw this shining, shimmering, splendid window. And I saw my beautiful reflection on it. And it took me to a whole new world. So I stole it.
Huh?
Wow, you are so honest.
Of course, I'm a model citizen.
Thank you for your honesty. Now come over here.
Of course, no problem. Anything for my city.
You're arrested for
What?
robbery.
Whoa, cool house. Mine.
The siu mai is now cold. I better reheat it. Wait a second. Maybe I can use the radioactive window as microwave to reheat my food. Since it's radioactive, right? Wait, aren't microwave supposed to spin? It's hot now! It works! I can't believe radioactive window does heat up the food. This must be a great discovery for human being. I will go to get a Nobel Prize for this.
Ladies and... Stupid technician. Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to be gathered here today to the once-in-a-millennium Nobel Prize giving ceremony. Without further ado, let me introduce you to the prize winner. Today's prize winner is a 14-year-old boy attending St. Stephen's College. After only attending physics for 2 weeks, they have risen to immense fame and has been widely known for the discovery of microradiation in windows. Now, let me introduce Gordon, microwave.
Yeah, that's a goal! Yeah, so much money! Yeah!
Sir, get off.
What?
Why? Call security.
Oh, I'm sorry. Money!
Have you eaten food? Is there anyone you want to thank in the crowd right now?
Well, I want to thank you, the IKEA doll, and I also want to thank you, the technicians, and I also want to thank you, and all of you, except for my dad.
Wait! Oh, actually, according to the rules of the Nobel Prize, the winner of the prize must be wearing glasses when he's winning a prize. Does he look like he's wearing glasses? No, Should he be receiving the prize? No!
Wait, I didn't know that was a rule.
Actually, it's a long lost rule that can be only found on Internet Explorer. In fact, people don't even use Internet Explorers anymore.
Well, Jordan, we're gonna have to take away your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity prize.
I don't need your stupid award anyways.
Ha! Who's there?
Oh, no one, it's not me.
Every year, people keep running on the stage and breaking the prize. Ah!
The Nobel Prize! I finally secured the Nobel Prize! I'm gonna be rich and famous! I don't have to teach those stupid kids anymore, especially that Gordon microwave!